Hey guys, Gustavo here, back again with another video, and in this video, we're going to be creating the big Goodstavo. Now the first ingredient we're going to need is ham, nice sliced ham, which we are going to put on both halves of the sliced bun we have. Now next ingredients we have are black pepper and Italian herbs. Now do these do anything to the sandwich other than mess up my workspace? I don't know. I have no idea. But you know what? I put these in it and it tastes good. So, you know what, we're rolling with it. Next ingredient, smoky barbecue sauce. Just drizzle that on there. Oh my goodness gracious, I love smoky barbecue sauce. Now next, we get a singular leaf of lettuce, some olives, and some jalapenos. Now, if you don't like jalapenos, you can switch them out for pickles or something, or you could just have a shell of what the sandwich could be and just remove the jalapenos completely. It's completely up to you. It is your sandwich. And there you have it. The big Goodstavo has been created. And now you have something to eat while you watch the coming episodes of Archaea Quest. I'm so excited for episode 7's release. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Gustavo out.